Hey everyone! Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Are you looking for new ways to earn some extra cash? Well, you've come to the right place. My Money Grows is teaching you how to make money in different ways, from side hustles to passive income. So if you want to learn how to make more money, be sure to subscribe to our channel. On our channel, you'll find a wide range of videos that cover different ways to make money. Whether you're looking to start a new business, invest in the stock market, or even make money online, we've got tips and tricks to help you succeed. We'll show you how to find the best opportunities, avoid common mistakes, and maximize your earnings. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. Anyone can learn how to make money with the right guidance. Here are just a few examples of the topics I cover on My Money Grows: freelancing and consulting, investing in stocks and real estate, selling products online, creating and selling digital products, starting a YouTube channel or blog, and much more. So if you're ready to start making more money, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss any of my upcoming videos.